In this video, we're going to delete a business off of Google Business Profile or Google My Business, which are the same thing, just change the name. So what you will do is go to Google Business Profile and go to Google Business Profile and hit Manage or Sign In. And the first thing you need to do is make sure there's another user in the system that you can give the user access to. Because if you go to the business that you want to remove and you go to group settings, well, actually, I'm sorry, let's go back. If you try to check and remove, it looks like some information will be deleted if it's stuff that you've created. And I mean, if you want to be a jerk to your ex-client, I guess you can, but you know, I would rather do things the correct way. So we're not going to do that. I actually don't know. I haven't ever tried this, so I don't know if it's actually going to delete stuff that I've done, but it says it will. So the other way to do this is to make sure that you have a different user that you can transfer access to. And they should have this anyway. They should be the primary owner as it is. So what you'll do is you'll go to group settings and then you'll manage users. And then if you don't have somebody else being the primary owner, you can add the user and then transfer them to be the primary owner. Once you are just the owner, then I am pretty sure you can just hit the X on your name and remove your business from the old client. The user will lose access to this account and any associated content in Google Business Profile. And that sounds a lot better than deleting stuff that you've created for them over the time period. So I'm going to give it a try and hope it works. Done. All right, and I think we are hopefully done. I'm going to refresh. Aha, yes. Okay, sweet. And then, oops, manage invitations, manage users, and everybody's gone. So sad. All right, that's it for this video. Have a good day. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and articles dedicated to helping you build an amazing website without writing code. We also cover topics like SEO and growing your business. Click the bell to be notified about our latest videos and let us know what you thought by liking the video and leaving a comment. Finally, check out our website in the description to see our latest products and services we offer and how we can help you accomplish your goals.